So we've reset and calibrated our doseBadge, and now we're going to put it on the person. How do we do that? Well, we can take this straight out of here, because this is now ready to go. So what we're going to do is use one of these metal discs and one of these leather straps. So on the base of the doseBadge, not only do you have this thread so you can attach it to the docking station or to one of these discs, you've also got a serial number. So each doseBadge, of course, has a unique serial number. So one of the things you need to do is, if you're going to put it on person A, you need to make sure you note down what the serial number is before you put it on person A, because we're going to cover that up with one of these discs. So it's very simple. Take a leather strap, put the doseBadge on top, and you'll see the thread appears through the bottom, and we're just going to screw one of these plates onto the doseBadge through the leather strap. So there it is, it's very secure. The doseBadge is now ready to go. So how do you put it on a person? Well, these clips on either end just flick up, and you've got a little jaw there, and then this will attach to your material. So if I just, this is not the correct place to put it, by the way, but if I just hang it on my shirt collar, you'll see how it actually grips the material. So a doseBadge needs to be placed as close as possible to somebody's ear, because what we're interested in, of course, with this is to monitor the noise levels that somebody's hearing is actually being exposed to. So the ideal place is on somebody's shoulder, just like this, or it could go side to side like that, but it needs to be on the shoulder, not completely close to the neck, not right at this edge, not down here. It needs to be on the shoulder, as close as possible to somebody's ear. That way, you're going to collect information that is as accurate as possible to what that person has been exposed to noise level wise. So that's the next thing you're going to do. You've got to actually put it on the person. Now, sometimes you might find that putting one of these doseBadges on the shoulder is maybe not the right place for it. It could be what they're wearing or their activities. And we do have an option where, with the original doseBadge, you can actually put it onto the side of a helmet. So we have these plastic helmet mounts that clip onto the side of a helmet. They just slip off, and then you can screw the doseBadge onto the side of the helmet. So this is something that, as an option, just contact Cirrus Research and we'll be able to get you some of these plastic helmet mounts.